Bed Cook. The Hornings Hideout. Disc golf. December 2010. What is that?
It like confuses me. That's weird.
You can hear it's a hole. It's coming through the hole and making a weird noise.
Plugged in through?
Yeah.